So far, I have repeatedly made references to the real. But what is the real order of Lacan? The real order refers to the authentic, unchangeable truth, the infinite, the absolute. However, while the real is there, it is not made up of superficial images or of symbols. It is not approximated by these limited things our brains do. In fact, the real is not in human minds at all. It exists independently of it. For example, we tell ourselves we see a table, but that is not what we really see. We are just perceiving some light, applying our imagination within a set of rules and symbols, and telling ourselves we are perceiving something we call a table. And even the story I just told you, even that is just a symbolic story meant to make meaning for our simple brains. The full explanation of this is way outside the scope of this talk, but science is simply a set of symbols that follow some useful rules that seem to keep our species alive a little better than the previous stories we told ourselves. While science has the remarkable ability to adapt and grow, it still can only make approximations of reality. It never truly knows it. Lacan stated, "The real is that which resists symbolization absolutely." And when he means resists symbolization, he means it is outside of language, outside of logic, and outside of any tools the human mind has to understand reality. Therefore, the real is outside our capacity to think, outside our capacity to conceive. That is why Lacan refers to the real as the impossible. Impossible because it's there, but at the same time impossible to think about. The real is the holy grail of what we are trying to describe, but at the same time, it cannot be thought about. Our brains are simply not built for it. Good luck, and please think imaginatively and symbolically, and vote.